Welcome to the Pixelated Video FAQ. Today's question, how much is a GIF booth? The cost of a GIF booth can vary depending on several factors, such as the location, duration of the rental, and the features offered. Additionally, there are many different types of GIF booths available, ranging from DIY setups to high-end professional models with advanced features. On the lower end of the price range, DIY setups can be assembled with basic equipment such as a tripod, camera, and software for around $400 to $600. Rental prices for basic photo booths with GIF capabilities typically range from $500 to $1,000 per event, while more advanced setups with professional lighting, backdrops, attendance, and other features can cost upwards of $2,000 or more. It's important to note that prices may vary significantly depending on your location and the vendor you choose, so it's always a good idea to research and compare options to find the best fit for your needs and budget.